The rotating wheel of the powder shaking machine needs regular cleaning and maintenance. The powder shaking machine before proceeding. Tilt the powder shaker. Convenient cleaning of dirt and powder. Use tools to clean powder. If you have a vacuum cleaner, it's also possible. Now we don't have a vacuum cleaner. We use a scraper for cleaning. After cleaning the powder, it can be cleaned and maintained. Please use industrial cleaning alcohol and cotton swabs. Clean dirt. Directly wipe the dirty parts of the wheel. Use some force to wipe and clean. Dirt is falling off. Clean the upper right position thoroughly. Start cleaning the left position. Using the same method, wipe and clean multiple times until it is in a clean state. After cleaning, please wipe it off and remove the dirt on it. Very good, friend. Now we have gone through half of the steps. After turning on the power, the wheel will automatically rotate. Then turn off the main power again. Not being cleaned rotates up. Please turn off the main power immediately. Very good, friend. The uncleaned side is now facing upwards. Continue to clean the dirt on the rotating wheel. Now please clean the left wheel position again. After cleaning the rotating wheel, clean the dirty powder thoroughly. After cleaning the powder, new powder can be added for normal use. Thank you very much for your cooperation. Thank you for watching.